Have you ever noticed a delicate web shining in the morning light, or a tiny shadow quietly moving along your wall? That small, often overlooked creature is a spider, one of nature's most skilled hunters, architects, and survivors. Spiders have existed for hundreds of millions of years, long before humans ever walked the earth. They are found almost everywhere, from dense forests to dry deserts, even inside our homes. In this video, we'll explore the incredible life of spiders, their diversity, their unique abilities, how they hunt, survive, and raise the next generation. And by the end, you might not just understand spiders, you might actually start to appreciate them. Spiders are not just one type of creature, they are part of a massive and diverse family. There are over 45,000 known species of spiders, and scientists believe there are many more yet to be discovered. Some are tiny, barely visible to the human eye, while others, like tarantulas, can be large, hairy, and impossible to ignore. Each species has adapted to its own environment. Some spin intricate webs, others hunt on the ground, and a few even live near water. Jumping spiders, for example, are active hunters with excellent vision. Orb weaver spiders create the classic circular webs we often see in gardens, and wolf spiders prefer to chase their prey rather than trap it. This diversity is what makes spiders so successful. They've found countless ways to survive. Spiders may look simple, but their bodies are incredibly specialized. They have 8 legs, something that clearly sets them apart from insects. Their bodies are divided into 2 main parts, the cephalothorax and the abdomen. Most spiders have multiple eyes, sometimes up to 8, but their vision varies. Some rely more on vibration and touch than sight. One of their most fascinating features is silk. Spiders produce silk from special glands, and this silk is stronger than steel of the same thickness. They use it to build webs, wrap prey, protect their eggs, and even travel. Different spiders produce different types of silk, some sticky, some strong, and some stretchy. And then there are their fangs. Most spiders have venom, which they use to subdue their prey. For humans, however, the vast majority of spiders are completely harmless. A spider's life may seem quiet, but it is full of careful decisions and constant awareness. Some spiders are active during the day, while others prefer the cover of night. Web-building spiders spend time maintaining and repairing their webs, ensuring they remain effective traps. Others roam freely, relying on speed and stealth instead of silk. Spiders are usually solitary creatures. They don't form groups or communities like ants or bees. Each spider lives its own life, focused on survival. They communicate mostly through vibrations. A slight movement in a web can tell a spider whether it's prey or a potential threat. Despite their stillness, spiders are always alert, ready to react in an instant. Spiders are carnivores, and their diet mainly consists of insects. Flies, mosquitoes, ants, and beetles are common meals. Larger spiders may even catch small frogs, lizards, or birds. Web-building spiders rely on their silk traps. When an insect gets caught, the spider quickly moves in, wraps it in silk, and injects venom. Hunting spiders, on the other hand, chase or ambush their prey. Jumping spiders are especially impressive. They stalk their target and leap with incredible precision. Unlike many animals, spiders don't chew their food. Instead, they inject digestive fluids into their prey, breaking it down before consuming it in liquid form. It may sound unusual, but it's an incredibly efficient way to eat. The life cycle of a spider begins with eggs. Female spiders lay their eggs in silk sacs, carefully protecting them from harm. These sacs are often hidden in safe locations or carried by the mother. When the spiderlings hatch, they are tiny versions of adult spiders. Some stay with their mother for a short time, while others quickly disperse. One of the most fascinating behaviors is called ballooning. Baby spiders release silk threads that catch the wind, allowing them to travel through the air to new locations. As they grow, spiders shed their outer layer in a process called molting. This allows them to increase in size and develop into adults. Life can be short for many spiders, but during that time they grow quickly and adapt to their surroundings. Spiders have developed incredible ways to survive. Camouflage is one of their strongest tools. Many spiders blend perfectly into their environment, becoming nearly invisible. Some mimic other creatures like ants to avoid predators. Others rely on speed, hiding or dropping from their webs to escape danger. Venom is another key survival tool. It helps them capture prey quickly and defend themselves when necessary. And of course, silk remains their greatest advantage. It can be used for building, trapping, escaping, and even protecting future generations. These strategies have allowed spiders to survive for millions of years in constantly changing environments. Spiders may not always be the most loved creatures, but they are undoubtedly some of the most remarkable. They are hunters, builders, and survivors, playing a vital role in keeping ecosystems balanced by controlling insect populations. Behind every web is a story of patience, skill, and survival. So, the next time you see a spider, instead of fear, try curiosity. Take a closer look at the web, the movement, the quiet precision, and you might just discover a whole new respect for one of nature's most misunderstood creatures. Because in their small, silent world, spiders are truly extraordinary. Spiders are skilled hunters, but not all hunt the same way. The classic image is a spider sitting in the center of its web, waiting patiently. When an insect gets trapped, the spider feels the vibration, rushes over, and quickly wraps its prey in silk. But many spiders don't use webs at all. Jumping spiders rely on their sharp eyesight and powerful legs to leap onto prey. Wolf spiders chase their meals across the ground, and trapdoor spiders wait silently beneath hidden lids, striking in a split second. No matter the method, spiders are precise, efficient predators. And here's something fascinating: they don't chew their food. It may sound strange, but it's an incredibly effective way to extract nutrients. Spiders mostly eat insects, flies, mosquitoes, beetles, and more. In fact, spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Without them, ecosystems could quickly become unbalanced. For the most part, spiders are nature's pest control system, quietly maintaining balance in the world around us. The life of a spider becomes even more fascinating when it comes to reproduction. Male spiders often have to approach females very carefully because in some species the female might mistake him for prey. To avoid this, males perform intricate courtship rituals, vibrating webs, tapping patterns, or even dancing. If successful, mating occurs and the female later lays eggs, often wrapping them in protective silk sacks. Some mothers guard their eggs fiercely, others carry them wherever they go. But survival is not guaranteed. In fact, only a small number will reach adulthood. Life as a spider is full of challenges, and they've evolved remarkable ways to survive. Some use camouflage, blending perfectly into leaves, bark, or flowers. Others mimic ants or even bird droppings to avoid predators. Many spiders can regenerate lost legs over time, and when threatened, some species play dead while others escape using silk as a lifeline. Venom is another powerful tool. Most spiders use it to immobilize prey, but only a few species have venom strong enough to affect humans. Despite common fears, the vast majority of spiders are harmless to us. In fact, they're far more afraid of you than you are of them. As the sun sets and the world quiets down, a spider begins its work once again, silently spinning, patiently waiting, living a life most of us never notice. Yet in its own small way, it shapes the world around us. So the next time you walk past a web glistening in the light, pause for a moment, because you're not just looking at a spider. You're witnessing one of nature's most remarkable stories unfolding right in front of you.